What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you an interesting feature on the new 6th Gen 4Runner, the backup camera washer system. So you have to be in reverse to get to this little icon right here. And if you press this once, it's going to lightly wash the rear window and the backup cameras. Boom, there you go. And then if I press and hold it, it'll just spray endless amounts of washer fluid all over everything. And yeah, man, it gets pretty messy back there pretty quick. It's just an astronomical amount of windshield washer fluid all over the back hatch. You can see how messy it is right there. Yeah, that's it's making quite the mess back there. All right, there you have it, guys. That's how the backup camera washer and rear windshield washer works on the 6th Gen 4Runner. Video sponsored by 6gen4runner.com or 6g4r.com, the #1 forum for everything 6th Gen 4Runner. Peace out, guys.